Welcome to a quick review and property tour of IBis Styles Goa Calangute. It's a 3-star hotel which has basic fare for about 5,000 to 5,500 and it can go up to 11,000 if it's a peak season. So make sure you make your bookings well in advance to get the best deal. I'm gonna leave a few links in the description box below. So we were a little early as per the check-in time, but still we got the room within 15 minutes. The check-in process was super hassle-free and we loved how smooth it was. Then we were escorted to our room and the way to rooms go through the restaurant and you'll have to cross the pool area. You will love how gorgeous the property is. It features one restaurant and one poolside bar and it is amazing. The resort is very self-sufficient in itself, so if you're traveling with family you need not to step out. You'll get everything inside the resort itself. And this is the way to our room. And now it's time for the quick room tour of IBis Goa. Now as soon as I entered the room I was a little shocked because I expected the room to be a little bigger because it seemed so in the pictures, but it was not that big. It was just a decent sized room and on your right you will see the washroom. Now the washroom is also very decent size and you will find all the basic amenities there. But again, I would say that I was a little shocked because I was expecting the room and the washroom both to be a little bigger than the sizes because it seemed like so in the pictures. Now if you compare the pictures with what is shown on Make My Trip and from my video, you will also understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, then let's continue the tour. You will see a very basic pantry of all your coffee, sugar and all of that stuff. Then a normal queen size bed, a normal size TV, and for a cupboard you have a mirror plus a cupboard sort of a thing, which I think solves both the purposes. And then you also have a security locker inside the cupboard. Then if you are on a vacation or something like that, you have a sitting area plus a study desk with a nice lamp. And the best part is here, I love the rooms which have balconies. Sorry for the excitement, but yeah, that just happens with me. I really love fresh air, and when I see something like this in the hotel, I am super duper impressed. And this is how the view was from the hotel room. And our room was overlooking the second pool. Now first one I've already shown. It is seen as soon as you enter the hotel property. That's the first pool and this is the second one. Now that's pretty much all I have for the room tour. Let's have a look at the property at night. Now at night it looks even more gorgeous and I loved how silent and nice it was. This is very much easily connected with all the nice places you want to go to Goa. It is at a walking distance from nice beach and then you can go to Club Cabana in 15 minutes. So connectivity to nice places won't be an issue if you stay here. Now let's have a quick look at the fitness center. They have all the basic machines, treadmills and everything that you need for if you are a fitness freak, and it has got a decent sized gym. So I'd suggest if you're a couple or bachelors or even a family traveling with kids, it's going to be an amazing place for you to stay. So IBis Goa would be definitely value for money if you pay 5 to 6 to 7,000 even, but more than that I would not suggest because the rooms are pretty small and I like the rooms to be a little bigger when I'm on vacations. Now let's talk about the dinner buffet. It was gorgeous. We had this huge dinner buffet spread because this was some Bengali New Year that was going on and that's why the prices were really high. But we loved how warm the staff was. The staff was just amazing. I spoke to 3 nice people from staff there and everybody was so warm and welcoming. And now if I talk about the food was equally delicious. So now talking about food in detail, I'm a pure vegetarian and when I travel to coastal places it's very difficult for me to find nice food. But that was not the case when I was in IBis Goa. The food was awesome and I would again say that staff was really nice and they were very warm. Property also features a lot of recreational stuff. I'll cover that in a minute, but let's talk about the breakfast buffet. Now breakfast buffet is complimentary, so of course you will see a lot of crowd during the breakfast timings and it's difficult to find a seat, so make sure you make your way to the breakfast area a little sooner. The staff is always there to help you, so anything you need please ask. They're very nice and very helpful. Now let's take a quick property tour on the daytime as well. So this is how the property looks like. It's really huge, it's green, and again repeating myself, it's amazing if you're traveling with family. Now if you're someone who loves self-driving or if you're traveling to Goa by your own car, they have a huge parking space also, so parking won't be an issue. They've got ample of it. And now a little bit more about this recreational space. So again, kids will have a lot of fun in this place. They have a lot of toys and games, and for adults they have the TT table and foosball table. Now let's just take a quick tour of the parking area and I think this is where we wrap up this video. Bye, I'll see you again. Give it a like if it was helpful.